there's a funny story with this pillow here. So the builder of this house is Italian, and he didn't give us an air conditioner for some reason. But everyone else on the street got one. So my mom got really upset, and she wanted to play a joke. She's not really that funny. She thought she would give him this pillow as a joke, saying like, why don't you sit on your ass all day since you don't want to give me an air conditioner. Mom's a widow. It's not really nice to, not give a basic need like an air conditioner. So I think I'm pretty pissed off, but I'm trying to make it light of the situation. We ended up getting a air conditioner because I negotiated for it, but yeah, I think it's pretty fucked up. So yeah. Anyways, here's some more art. Mom's got some like golden elephants here. She's really into like this royal antique kind of looking stuff. She always looks for auctions and sales. This is my brother's Mercedes symbol. I don't know where he found that. Here's another plant on a stand. We bought this at a Chinese place for a really good deal. Some blinds, some more paintings. This is where we eat sometimes. These are mine from my condo. They're like gold. I bought these from Michael's. Pretty crafty. Yeah, got that rug. I think it's like Persian or Iranian or something. Mom has, I think, for rugs, like expensive ones. This is our buffet. That's our little bar over there. We don't drink alcohol in this house, but in case people come over, we like to have some drinks. That's my mom's trophies from when she was a kid. They used to give them ceramic stuff for trophies, and they're like handmade and painted. My grandma does that for a living back in Poland. That's the main source of income. And here's some like knitting stuff. My mom's into knitting. This is like Russell's we found. I don't know if he found it somewhere, but he plays with that sometimes. Some different fabrics. We're into sewing. Here's some stuff too that's just kind of laying around. Like two people working on something together. I can't do that with one hand, but you get the point. This is for like Easter. And then we have this like little carriage thing. Oh, and then this is a trophy. No, this is a medal. My oldest brother used to play football. So yeah, we're just kind of like sorting out some old stuff. Here's another book. My brother's into paintballing. He was in the military and he still likes to have fun and do different things like target practice and different things. Here's some of my old kitchen towels. My youngest brother went skydiving in Las Vegas. I think that's pretty cool. I've never done that before. Here is some kind of heart thing. I don't know what this is about. Some old toys from childhood. A little tank. A little construction thing. Some Crayola markers. Garbage bags. This is like for hair color, vitamins. This is my old cosmetics tray thing. Exercise equipment. This is like Chinese. You like hit yourself with it. Different areas. It's supposed to increase your blood circulation. It's also for like your feet. Same purpose. Some kind of like Chinese acupuncture thing. This is from Zumba. Like dance with it and exercise. This is to increase. This is to correct your posture or like help your posture so you can like, stand straight. Some like old bathroom stuff, more bathroom stuff. Here's like some stuff from my condo from when I used to cook. Some sugar balance and stress supplements. My mom has diabetes, so she has to do different things to try to help herself. This is my dog. So my dog had to learn how to swim when he was a puppy, so he had a life jacket. These are different products for him. He just started using Interceptor Plus. I don't really understand these for his ears to clean them. It's got some toothpaste too. It's like enzymatic. Our vet really takes good care of him. Probiotic ear cleaner. What is this? Something else. I don't know what that is. Some kind of foaming ear cleansing solution. And then like some grooming stuff. Another thing for Russell. Another pills. He just recovered from pancreatitis, so he's under really good care. This is his new food, low fat. They just made this, it's brand new. We also play soccer together, me and Russell. And he's got some like wipes for his body. We clip his butt too, like his butt hairs when they get dirty. This is a ball with food in it that he plays with when he gets bored. This is a jug for his water. And then this is special canned dog food. Same brand, I believe, Hills. Got some kitchen knives from my condo. A little metal container here. This is an HEPA A air filter from when I used to be in the condo, and my cooking was like kind of smelly. Didn't want to bother the neighbors, so I made sure I had an air filter. I was very considerate. Some like different gold fixtures. They're not real, I don't think. Yeah, no. Buffet here is a bit of a mess. We take a lot of supplements, drink a lot of tea, and we're really just trying to get ourselves organized. It's tough. It's tough when you have lots of stuff going on. Here's some groceries we bought. There's the teas, an air fryer. This is our fridge. My mom likes Portuguese kind of decorations. There's another rooster up there. Samsung. And what is this? Kenmore. This is LG. More different things. We got so many couches here. Different pieces of art. It's a map of like an old map of the world. It's made out of gold. Not real gold. Some kind of gold. Some paintings on the wall. More plants. Microphone. We used to play instruments here. Thought we were like cool. It's a TV or smart TV or Alexa. Yeah. Some fragrances. I'll show you inside of my fridge.